video, we're going to be making a charcoal forge out of an old gas bottle. I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. My old forge has seen better days now and I've got a lot of stuff coming up to make, so I thought now's the time to make a new one and I might as well bring you guys along for the ride. So let's do it. So the first thing you need to do is empty your gas bottle. This can be quite a dangerous process. There's loads of videos on YouTube to show you how to do it, but the basis of it, you need to take this valve off with a big spanner and undo it. It's really tight. The remnants of the gas then need to be purged out. I'll use a hose pipe, fill the bottle up with water a few times and empty it, and get all the residue out of the bottle. What I do is then turn the bottle upside down and leave it for a few days just to be on the safe side. Then your bottle's safe, you can drill it, cut it, do whatever you want with it then. Then your next step is cut the handle area off the bottle, and then you can cut off and grind anything that's left of the valve fitting. So this is the first step on where you want to be before you actually start cutting into the bottle. So next step is you want to measure down 4 or 5 inches from the top of your bottle, draw a straight line all the way around the circumference, and then with a 1mm cutting disc and a grinder, you want to cut this top off. This will form the base of your charcoal forge, this bowl. What I'm going to do is measure down a couple of straight lines, and then we'll use this welded seam as a straight edge and cut this piece out, and that's going to form our wind deflector. So this is the kind of arrangement we'll be going for. Got all of our holes. I'm also going to cut a couple of grooves in the central boss to utilise this hole in the middle. So rummaging through the junk pile, my son found this old sink strainer which I'm going to utilise as well. So if I take it apart, so now I can weld that over the top of the hole in the middle, and it'll allow all the air to pass up through the charcoal nicely and stop debris falling down inside. So now I'm going to use this old welding gas bottle and chop this end off, and then I'm going to utilise this sealed cap to go underneath the charcoal forge, and this is where the air is going to be pumped in. So we got our air feed pipe welded on now. Now we need to weld this whole thing onto the base of the forge. So there we go, all welded on. Now we're going to tack in this old stainless sink strainer. So that's it for the fabrication. It's that easy. You could use many things for the blower. I've seen people use hair dryers, hot air guns, leaf blowers, you name it. But what I use, and I've used for years, is this. It's a blower from an electric spray gun and it works brilliant. It's literally simply a case of pushing it on, bit of tape to seal it, and then just turn it on. Job done. Nothing goes to waste. We're going to melt down the old valves off the gas bottles. Well, there you go guys, simple gas bottle forge, melt down your brass, copper, alloy, etc, works steel. Hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for similar content. I'll see you next time.